Hello balloon artists, today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick balloon pumpkin that's suitable for line work, but it's also a great design to add to your Halloween delivery and decor pieces. Hello balloon artists, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the East Midlands, helping you take your balloon art to the next level. Take a 160 in a green of your choice and trim off about 3 inches or so at the nozzle end. Okay, so that's what you're left with, and inflate the rest, but leave a good long tail. So tie that off, and I've got a tail of perhaps about 3 to 4 inches. Next, make some loop twists. So I'm making them of about 2 to 3 fingers. They don't have to be the same size, and in fact it looks better if they don't. Just pass that little knot that you made through that first loop. It's just going to help hold everything in place. And then we're just making those loops as we would a flower, but we're not worrying whether the loop twists, the flower petal twists, are a uniform size. Okay, I'm just going to do one more little loop, wrap that through. Okay, so that's what we've got. Then I'm just going to twist off another small bubble of a couple of fingers or so, and we're going to poodle tail the end of this 160. So just take hold of the 160 and just snap out that end a little bit, okay? And then you've still got this twisted off. Just squeeze the air there, and that will send the air to the end, and you've got a nice little poodle tail there. Next, take a 5-inch round. I'm using yellow and inflate. So I've overinflated slightly to stretch out the latex, and I'm just going to let the air out until that feels nice and malleable, okay? Take a 160 and just lie that over the neck of your 5-inch round, and then just tie that into the knot that you make. Okay, so that's trapped that 160 there, okay? And then just pull that knot to the end towards the nozzle. Okay, take your forefinger and at the same time squeeze the balloon at this end, squeeze the air into the neck, take your forefinger and push that knot and nozzle into the balloon. And we want to push it to about this point, slightly off centre, okay? And then grab hold of that knot through the latex and give it a twist, okay? Hold on to this, don't let it go. Get hold of your little clusters and just wrap those into that bit of latex that you're holding. So pull that down and wrap them round, and that is going to just hold on to everything. It's just going to trap that knot that you've made, okay? Round, and if you need to send a little bit of air back down, just push that down into the stem so that you've got a smaller poodle tail at the top. Okay, and all we need to do now is draw our face. I'm using a black fine tip Sharpie, and I'm just going to draw an oval, and then I'm going to draw a semicircle in each, followed by a circle. And then I'm going to shade these bits in, and I'm going to give my pumpkin my brows, a little nose and a big smile. And a little white bit in the mouth. And whilst the white paint is drying, I'm just going to take a brown fine point Sharpie and make some little dashes to sort of show the ridges in my pumpkin. So there you've got a really quick pumpkin design. You can simplify the face for line work if you need to, And you've got this little attachment point here if you want to add him to something. If that isn't long enough, then just use a longer scrap at the beginning, and he'll be easy to attach to anything. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos, which I publish on Tuesdays. And I look forward to you joining me in Balloon Artworks Academy, which is my closed Facebook group. And I'll see you again in the next video.